Thanks for clicking this video, and here is Tech. So just as we did for the iPhone battery saving tips, okay, you're going to do the same thing here. You look at the screen, what we have to do, then you also go to the settings and then do a lot of stuff to it there. So check in the comment section and then check for the link to watch how you can save battery on your iPhone. So let's start with this one, how you can save data on your iPhone. So I'll talk with the first one that we have to change on our screen, and that's also always make sure you have less apps on your phone. The more you have apps on your phone, the more it drains data. So reduce the apps that you install. Make sure you uninstall apps that you are not using again. And also widgets, okay, make sure you don't add a lot of widgets on your screen. I recommend not even adding one to your home screen, so that you save data there, because it also has something to do with your data to get you freeze, okay, on the widget side. So delete all widgets and then you'll be safe from there. So let's go right into our settings to change things up, okay. That will help you save data on your iPhone. And if you want to subscribe, because there are more videos coming for iPhones, okay. And also Android users will be dropping here. So let's go into it right now. But don't forget to also like this video, it really helped me a lot. Let's go. Okay, so now let's go to our settings. And you come to settings, then you go to mobile data, okay, mobile data, tap on it and tap on mobile data options, and when you come to this side, turn on low data mode, okay, this one, turn it on low data mode, and come back again. And the next thing is come here and then turn some of these things off, okay. Something like camera, you have to turn it off, because this camera is also using data, and other things that you think you don't use them, okay, try to turn them off, okay, and then it will really help you guys. So go through your apps, any apps that you think there's no need for you to be using data, just turn it off, okay, and then it will really help you save a lot of data. And the next thing is scroll down and come to general, okay, general, and then tap on software update, and then when you come to software update, just tap here. Sorry, let me turn on my data. Okay, tap on software update and come to this side and tap on automatic update, okay, tap on it and turn this one off, okay, download iOS update, turn it off, okay, and come back. Let me turn off my data so that we can continue. So when you are here, scroll down again and come to background app refresh, okay. When you come here, this is what you're going to do. Check for apps, okay, that you don't want it to refresh and then also be giving you updates. So something like your Gmail, it should always be on so that you can get updates, like Facebook, like WhatsApp. Those apps you always need updates. But for Jumia, sometimes you don't need any updates from there, okay. And sometimes Bible too, and some apps. So just go through your apps and then turn it off, okay. Siri, like this, it should not be giving me any information, and other ones. So just go through your apps, and any app that you want it to be refreshing, to be giving you update, because the more it refreshes, the more it uses data to be searching for information to give to you. So try to switch some of these ones off, and let's continue. So come back again and scroll down and tap on Siri and search. So when you tap on Siri and search and turn off listen for Hey Siri, okay, so now Siri will be listening to me, and the more Siri tries to listen, the more it drains your battery too. So check in the comment section, I have the link there to help you watch and then save a lot of battery. And the reason why Siri also uses data is when you speak to Siri also tries to search online. So it's like it's always available, trying to get your data. It is connected to your data, making sure that anytime you call and then set for something, it will also give you a feedback. So it is also using data in a way, although you can't see it, but in byte, small data adding up to a big data. So turn off listen for Hey Siri, and then you can also turn this one off. Okay, so after that you should just come back and then scroll down again and tap on privacy and security. When you come here, tap on location services and try to change some of these apps. Okay, so camera, like this camera should also use your data when you are using the app, so you can set it at never or while you're using the app. So here to come here and then go through your apps. Okay, go through your apps and then change some of these apps settings. That will help you save, because the more it's getting access to your location, it has to use your data to connect to get your location for you. So try to turn some of these ones at never. Okay, so when you start running the app, it shouldn't always get your location for you. Sometimes it's not important for the app to get your location. Okay, so try and change it to never or whilst you are using the app. And also App Store. So when you tap on App Store, we have the app download, app update. You see this one, turn it off, and then this one to turn it off. So this one, they are automatic download. Okay, so when you turn, let me show you something. You will see this one here, this one, and then this one too. So these three things, turn it off. And also app download, this one, put it as always ask. So this one will also ask for permission to download apps using data. Okay, so before any app has to be downloaded, it has to ask you for access, okay, first, so that you can save data, so that it won't be updating apps on your phone without your knowledge or without you knowing it, so that any data that you buy can be saved and then you can use it anytime you want. And the last thing I'll be showing you is go to privacy and security again, scroll down, and then you see analytics and improvement. Tap on it and then come to this side and turn it off. So turn this one off. Okay, turn it off. This one will help you save data and also help you save battery life. So just tap on this video and then to help you save battery on your iPhone. I'll catch you again. Don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Bye.